Is your Ninja Sizzle plate rocking or wobbling during use? Noticing uneven cooking or grease pooling to one side? This usually comes down to plate seating, surface tilt, or minor warping. Let's fix that wobble and get your grill stable again. Step 1. Reseat the plate properly. Remove the grill or griddle plate and reinstall it. Ensure it sits flush with the base and aligns with the sidewalls. A misaligned plate can cause rocking. Step 2. Check for debris under the plate. Crumbs or grease buildup beneath the plate can create instability. Wipe down the base surface with a damp cloth before reseating the plate. Step 3. Test your countertop for levelness. Place a marble or small ball on the counter near the sizzle. If it rolls, your surface is uneven. Try moving the unit to a flatter area or adjust with a heat-resistant mat. Step 4. Inspect the plate for warping. After cooling, place the plate on a known flat surface. If it rocks, the plate may be warped. Still wobbling after these steps? It might be time to reach out to Ninja support. Link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.